Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another review. I am talking about this caffeine repair serum from Retinol complex. Is it good? Is it not? Okay. From a glance, the packaging is great. It looks good. It's a 30 ml. It costs about €8, which is quite affordable. And let's see what it claims to do. It says the serum with caffeine intensively cares for the skin around the eyes and lips. Caffeine used topically has the function of stimulating the microcirculation and improving the oxygenation of the skin, giving it a healthier appearance. So it's for the eye area, the contour, and the lip area. Okay, so obviously it contains caffeine. It's hydrating and illuminating. Is it true or not? Unfortunately, I must say this is the worst, one of the worst serums I've ever got in my entire life. So as you can see, when it came, it was brown. Yeah, the color was brown. Then it changed to yellow. The serum changed to yellow. Then it's become this kind of cloudy color. And it smells terrible. I needed to review this and just throw it out because it smells terrible. I don't even want to smell it because it smells terrible. It's crazy. I don't know how, this happened. It's kept in my cabinet. I have never ever bought a serum which actually behaves like this. So I don't know, this product, I don't know, it's terrible. I mean, I need not say more. There is nothing more to say. I can't actually review it because I started using it on my face, on my body, and it felt good on the skin when it was brown. I stopped using it when it changed color. When it was brown, when it came in at first, it was sorry, when it came in at first, it felt good. It smelled so good. The fragrance was great, gentle, not pungent, perfect. After about a week or two, it turned yellow. So I was looking for my caffeine serum. I was like, where is my caffeine serum in my cabinet? Because I know the caffeine serum was brown. Then it turned yellow. I was like, what is this? Where from this? Not knowing it's a caffeine serum that actually turned yellow. After about another week, it turned this cloudy, milky water color. So there is nothing more to say. I'm just gonna throw it out. I am not gonna buy it again, obviously. I'm never ever gonna buy this serum again because it's terrible. Money wasted, thrown into the bin. The smell is terrible. It's so, bad that you wouldn't even want to smell it. Gosh, okay. It smells like some poisonous chemical. So I'll just throw it off, unfortunately. So this is my honest opinion from, Retinol complex, from their caffeine serum. Unfortunately, is a no for me. Never, ever, ever again. Okay guys, so has anybody ever tried this? Was it good? Was it not? Because it was definitely a thumbs down for me. I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.